lot of people suspected we have low compression on 1 and 2 after swapping this turbo, which makes no sense because we tested all of them when my car was having a misfire on cylinder 4. Now, no misfire on cylinder 4. The first 2 cylinders are low compression though and misfiring really bad. Shout out to that man Scrappy. You'll see some more content of him and his cars on the channel soon. You know, we have a lot of BMWs on here, but he is more of a Volkswagen, Audi, and Honda guy, so you will see a lot of those videos. Popping gears. We're gonna go ahead and get the fuel system, the spark plugs, coils, injectors, all this, the fuel rails and the manifold and everything off right now to get ready to remove this valve cover and get towards the head. Stay tuned in the video for us getting it pulled. Comment below what you think is it going to be. Is it something with the valves? Is it the head gasket that broke off? Eventually the rods. Let's get a time lapse of taking this piece of junk apart. How quick can we take apart this N55 to get to the head? Go ahead and get all these coils out and the spark plugs and the fuel rails and the fuel injectors and get all this wiring out of our way and get it nice and cleaned up. I just want to get a time lapse of how quick we get this taken apart. Probably started around 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 3:30. It's 4 o'clock right now. The rest of this fuel shit off. Probably start on the manifold, taking the charge pipe and the intercooler back off. Looks good, which is kind of not a good sign because it might be something internally now.
That's what we gotta do.
Buy an N55, they said, man. Do not listen to what you hear.
Out of here! In the Ultima.
Honda.
Ultima.
How about
like he crashed. He crashed. It's like he got hit up there. They got him up there. They got him up there. You go right down the street. They gonna book him. You're in the wrong county for high-speed chase. Yeah. So now we're gonna pull the timing tensioner bolt, which is this right here. Which has no space.
It's about like 5:30 to 6 o'clock right now. Man, Scrappy went crazy. That's right. Yeah.
Look at that head, cylinder 1 and 2. See if you see nothing. It doesn't look nothing crazy, bro.
Nope. It just look wet than the rest. See it?
Yeah. But the gasket don't even look bad in 1 and 2. There's nothing like broken that you can see. Yeah. So look down in the pistons. See if you see any cracks.
I don't know, Swift. I don't know.
You don't see nothing crazy, right?
Can't see from here. I got
8:17, and the head off the M55 is out. Damn, gasket. I thought that would be it, man.
no,
Fuck!
not
It's
gas.
never that with me, is it? It's about 5 hours today getting all this to where it's at. Sunday right now. I don't know if we'll come here tomorrow and try to do some more, but we'll see y'all when we get back to the M55. The weather is a perfect setting. This is a sad day. Hey, all this has happened too with me not being able to get any racing time in or really any good experience with the M55. But like I was saying, the test came back on the head and the head is not cracked and all the valves seem to be working good. So now we know it's probably a piston ring, something around there. So we're gonna have to pull the entire engine out, and you will see that in the next video. Well, I thought they weren't here, and now we got a head in the back of the car. The head is not cracked. The valves are working good. So Noah's bank account is about to get drained. A little bit more work. We're almost there. Pull the rest of this engine out and get these pistons replaced or whatever it is wrong that is messed up. We're gonna get this M55 running again, sell it, and move on with the M54, y'all. RIP to the M55 and on to the next. Appreciate everyone that stayed to the end of the video and watched it. Make sure to put on post notifications so you don't miss the M55 when it gets back running. Like, comment, and we'll see y'all in the next one. So the guy at the machine shop was telling me that if my car sat for over 3 months that I should have put some oil down on the head and took the spark plugs out and just dropped it right on the head and let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes to lubricate it, to not give it such a rough, dry start. That's probably why it was starting so rough and it sounded so terrible in the past video, because it was dry and the piston rings were so dry, did not receive any oil yet, and that friction caused a ring to maybe break, uneven. I just want to hop in and say before I end the video that that is probably the reason why that the N55 is showing low compression from the rings or uneven or something is messed up. And don't miss the N54. If you haven't seen, we bought E90 335 M54 for $1,000. Fixed it in 30 minutes. There might be a single kick coming on it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.
Touch. Push it up with my dogs, cookie dough type shit. She gripping.
That shit sounds great. You can't even probably hear me right now.